Got another quick video working on a 2000. This one is a 2010 Honda Accord, but I think they're the same from like 07 to like 12. They kept this engine a long time. You get a p0304, 303 misfire. You didn't change the plugs, coils. You done tried everything. You know what to do. The next thing you might want to check out, if you remove the valve cover on the cylinder that's misfiring, something like this. The cam will have a rough edge on it. They should all be smooth like this one. It got a little wear on this one too, but it's smooth. It ain't been scarred up. So if you see this, probably got valve or lifter issues, and it gets more serious and you have to go into the head on them. But I ran into that a lot. I decided to just put an engine in the one I'm working on. Did a new timing chain and VVT sprocket on it, because that was also an issue with these Hondas too. If you're getting a rattling noise on startup, that's the way I decided to go with it. But if you're chasing your tail for a misfire, 2007 to like 2012 Hondas, more than likely it could be a bad valve issue on them. So go, stay tuned. More short videos, straight to the point, get you there where you need to be at.